The League of Imams and Alfas in Iyabode Central Mosque, in conjunction with the League of Imams and Alfas in Yorubaland, Edo and Delta states, have conferred the title of Adinni Obinrin on Olori Moriliat Iyabode Adetona in recognition of her contribution to the propagation of Islam and humanitarian service. Fatima Hassan reports that the colorful ceremony attracted Islamic scholars and other prominent personalities from across Yorubaland.
In recognition of her unwavering commitment to the growth and propagation of Islam, Olori Moriliat Iyabode Adetona has been conferred with the title of Asiwaju Adinni Obinrin by the League of Imams and Alfas of Iyabode Central Mosque, in conjunction with the League of Imams and Alfas of Yorubaland, Edo and Delta states. The ceremony held at the Iyabode Central Mosque attracted Islamic clerics from Ijebuland and across Yorubaland, as well as other dignitaries. The turban and decoration of the new Asiwaju Adinni Obinrin was performed by the League of Imams and Alfas, after which 2 certificates of honor were presented to her, one by the Iyabode Central Mosque and the other by the Imams and Alfas of Yorubaland, Edo and Delta states. In a lecture, Alhaji Quadri Olawore, who represented the Mudirul Morikas Agege, highlighted the significance of turbani in Islam and urged Muslims to remain steadfast in the worship of Allah.
My message to her is that she should continue spending in the cause of Allah and continue struggling in the path of Allah. So praying, serving her God.
Also speaking, the Secretary General of the League of Imams and Alfas charged the new title holder to sustain her support for the propagation of Islam, while the chairman of the occasion, the daughter of the honoree, and other dignitaries described the honor as well deserved.
She's a beautiful woman. She's a very nice woman, humble, and etc.
They wish her many more years of good health and service to the family and to the humanity and the Islamic community.
God blessings and to give her good health and the wisdom to be able to be a good Asiwaju of Yorubaland and Iyabode as well for the women.
She deserves it because if you see Mama is too humble to anybody. Either she knows you or you don't. She doesn't know you. She will embrace you.
On a joyous note and in appreciating Allah for the honor, Olori Moriliat Adetona, joined by her children, family members, and well-wishers, took the dance floor in Iyabode. Fatima Hassan, NTA News.